मैं मैसेज करूँ जो दिल्ली वाली पूछी ओके मैसेज हाँ वीडियो हाँ पक्को पक्को सर श्योर ओके सर बोला जी इवेंट सर बोला अगले बात करो
Hello everyone, welcome. Hello everyone. So as we all know, we have gathered here to select the winners of the first month of campaign which is run by Jaivan Group. It's an amazing campaign. Very helpful for society, environment. So the first task was about tree plantation and we got amazing response from you all. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so these are the names of the participants and we will be selecting 11 winners here. Anybody who is here who participated in this initiative? These all are the participants of the first month task that was about tree plantation. So we are here for selecting 11 lucky winners for the first month task. So we have Dinesh sir here, who is chairman of Jaivan Group. He will be selecting the 11 lucky winners. Welcome, sir.
Hi.
Anybody who is online who participated can just say that they participated.
Good evening, everyone. So we'll now be starting with the lucky draw with 11 lucky members, of which 10 lucky members would be winning voucher worth 500, and the one lucky member would be getting a voucher worth 5,000 rupee from Amazon. So here we begin with the same.
All the best.
So please remove the first.
So many are commenting they participated. All the best to everyone.
So our lucky winner is Mohammad Wali Karimbala.
Congratulations, Mohammad Bhai.
The second winner is Murtaza Rangwala. And our third winner is Mr. Murtaza Hamid. Shabbir Lokhandwala is next winner. Sakina Bashi. Ana Iqbal. Huzefa Lokhandwala. Ali Asgar Lemonwala.
Stop.
Khadija Rampunawala. Farida Khuzaima Ghariali. These are our 10 members who would be getting 500 rupees voucher each from Amazon. And the last but not the least, our mega winner would be getting 5,000 rupee voucher from Amazon. So, Hasnain Dalal would be
Wow.
getting a voucher of 5,000 rupees from Amazon.
Congratulations.
Thank you for being a part of this event and supporting everyone. And whoever are the lucky winners, I would like you to revert back to us on the WhatsApp number or on Instagram or Facebook. And yeah, just coordinate with us. Thanks for being a part of this global cause, and we appreciate every efforts put in from your side, and we expect you to support us for the remaining 11 months. Thank you, sir.
Do not forget to participate in this month's task also, that is about bird feeders. So we are waiting for your entries.
So, as we all know, the second event is all about feeding the bird. So, all you have to do is have a bowl or anything in the backyard, and you can scan on that QR code and upload your forms or your entries and be a part of this event and get a chance to win the mega prize or be a part of the 11 lucky members every month. Thank you. We would now be ending with the live session. Thanks for joining.
Thank you all for joining.
Thank you, sir.